Okay, I've got some really cool news. The Statesman is going to be a show car. It's going to be on display, I shit you not, it's going to be on display in about 10 days from now at Autorama, which is one of the biggest car shows here in New Zealand. So the guy that's running this whole event, he rang me about a week ago, and he's seen the videos and he really likes what I'm doing with this car. He likes the story behind it, and he's kind of keen for me to bring that story to this show. My mission now is to make this car look really cool. It's going to have the rear quarters put back on it, the front end's going to be put on it, I'm going to have it sitting on rims and having it look really, really cool. There's going to be 9 cars there being unveiled for the first time, and these cars are going to be some of the best built cars in the country with some of the best paint jobs you've ever seen. And then I'm going to be rolling in there with the Statesman with its raw steel and the original paint job from 52 years ago. And as some of you guys already know, this is exactly how I intend to leave this car. The purple patina, this old paint, and any of the fabrication work that's been done to it is going to be left in that raw steel with just a see-through clear coat over it. So the way I see it is that, like, these really flash cars with these really cool paint jobs, it's kind of like a really attractive woman walking down the street wearing some really, really nice clothes. They look really, really beautiful. My car is kind of more like a stripper. My car's a stripper basically. It's up on stage and it's completely naked, and it's showing everything. All that raw steel, all that fabrication work is all going to be on display at this show. So I hope to see some of you guys down there. It starts on Friday the 10th of November and then goes for the Saturday and Sunday as well. The other person that's going to be there is Paul. He's working on the Chevy truck, the stablemate to the Statesman, and he's going to have a separate stand in the Pro Builders area. To be honest with you, I've kind of seen Paul around the workshop today. He's looking a little under the pump. He's got a pretty limited time to get this car ready. Plus, he's still got a fair bit of work to do on my car as well, getting those rear quarters on to get it ready. So we'll keep track of him and how he gets on. So be sure to hit the like button on these videos. I do really appreciate it when you guys hit the like button. It's really helpful for these videos. And also be sure to subscribe. The subscribing is more about me just being able to tell friends that I got some more subscribers today. It's really just about me feeling better about myself. So look forward to seeing you guys at the show. Look forward to getting the Statesman on display, and we'll see you in the next video.